There. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about group policy modeling wizard. So, administrative tools, group policy management, and you get the option group policy modeling. So, by modeling, you can see it's a kind of a dummy copy, a model, uh, which is not actual policy but can be used for playing. So right click your policy modeling wizard, asking welcome message. Next. Now domain controller selection. If you have more than one domain, then you can select the domain, any available domain controller running Windows Server 2003 or later. So this modeling wizard is also available at Server 2003. So any server in a domain in a forest which consists 2003 and later means 2008 R2, so can be welcome on the modeling wizard, can be used modeling. Now domain controller, if you have more than one, then you can select. Premium goes to by default one. Now user and computer selections. You can simulate policy settings for a selected user, and a computer means you can select a particular user, or for example, if you are using container OU or a particular user, for example, I'm going to container and for example test. So you or particular computer, for example, you have a computers, so you can select computers information, or so this is a computer, so these are the information. You can go through users also, for example test user 1, this is test. Okay, next, advanced simulation option. You have two options: slow network connection or loopback processing, or a default first site name. So I'm just going with by default one. It's for the dial-up connection. The loopback processing, totally it's up to you. Go with the by default one. User and security groups. You can allow user security group in this. The selected user is a member of the following security group. To simulate changes to the security group membership, user add or remove pattern. So the user when chosen as part of authenticated users. Actually, I didn't choose a user particular, but I chose a OU, and the test OU having a test user 1 and test user 2, which are the member as authenticated users. That's the reason. Go by default one. This is for the group. Again, I chosen OU. I didn't choose group, but chose as a user. That's the reason. Same for the WMI filters for users, Windows management instrumentation. If you have any WMI filter, you can use it. Same for the computers. If you create it in criteria, for example XP user, 7 user, whatever you created a criteria, you can follow that. Next, summary of selection, what you just done. and finish. So it's asking me to rename, but I don't care it. So just group policy modeling, you can see the summary what you just created, and it's just a model. See the applied GPUs default domain policy AD3 syswall 3. Denied GPUs are not yet simulated. Security group membership, Scientific authority, authenticated users. So many things are there. It's a kind of model. And settings, you can see the by default settings are also available in this Windows settings. Security settings, account policies, these are the by default, not yet defined. Also query. So totally modeling idle model which you want to learn from it about the GPUs, kind of summary. So really it can be help, and if you require to and if you face some queries regarding your policy management, you can answer. So hope you learned something from this about the group policy management. Thanks for watching.